Hi, hello. We are back to our social class. See, now we are going to learn about that is land and ocean. See, this is your geography second lesson, and this is your continuation of this lesson. That is land and ocean. Already we have learned about that landforms. Yes, in the previous part of the videos. Yes, see here in this session we are going to learn about one of the ocean. Yes, one of the ocean in among five oceans. Yes, see what is that? Indian Ocean. What? Indian Ocean. See what are the five oceans we are having? That is Atlantic Ocean. Yes, that is Pacific Ocean is the largest one, and Atlantic is the second largest one, and the third one, that is Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean, and Southern Ocean fourth. Then the smallest ocean among the five oceans, that is the Arctic Ocean. That is the fifth ocean. Yes, fifth largest, such a smallest ocean in the world. Yes, that is the Arctic Ocean. Yes, now we are going to learn about the Indian Ocean. What? Indian Ocean. See, first let's recall about the land and ocean. What is land? See, that is land or fulfilled with variety of soil. It is used for doing the agriculture work. Yes, already knew that. So that is the land. Yes, so we are having the three orders there in landforms. That is, what are the orders? First order landform, and second order landform, and third order landform. And first order landform refers to what? That is continent. And second order landform refers to what? Explains about what? It is mountain. And third order landform explains about what? Valleys. Yes, so these are all the three orders in landforms. And oceans. What is ocean? See, ocean is fulfilled with what? That is vast expanse of water. Yes, vast expanse of, that is water, fully entirely fulfilled with water. That is such a biggest portion from the sea. That is from the water properties. Yes, where it came? Yes, it came from where? See, it started from, it begins from, that is pond. Yes, it is pond. Yes, next lake, next river, next sea, and finally it formed, that is as a ocean. Yes, such a largest vast portion of water, that is the ocean. Here now we are looking, see, that is Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world. That is among five oceans, this is the third largest ocean in the world. And see, let's see about deeply. Then it covers, that is Indian Ocean covers 70.56 million square meter. See the range of this Indian Ocean. It covers 70.56 million square kilometer. They are insisting what? Space. Space, that is, it is involving, it is occupying in the earth. Yes, see, it is occupying, that is, it covers 70.56 million square kilometer of earth. Yes, earth surface it is occupying. Next, Indian Ocean, it is named after India. Yes, after the name of the India only, this is referred. Yes, referred as the Indian Ocean. So from the word India only, it came to know that is Indian Ocean. It referred from this word India, that is our country, India. Yes. Then its shape. See the shape of this Indian Ocean. See, this is the Indian Ocean. Where it is located? See, in the middle of this. See here. So it looks like a triangle shape. No, see here. See, we start from here. See. So it looks like a triangle shape. So roughly, it is a triangle in shape. Yes. So Indian Ocean is, that is triangle in shape. See, then it is bounded by the Africa in west. See the sides first. Let's mark down the sides. North, south, west, and this is the eastern side. Yes, that is eating side. Yes, see, this is easy to remember. Eating side, that one is the east side, and this one west and north and south. Yes, so these are all the four sides we are having. And see, it is bounded by Africa in west. See, Africa is here, no? Where Africa is located? See, in the west side of Indian Ocean. So Africa is located in the western side of Indian Ocean. And Asia. See, where is Asia is located? See, Asia is located northern side. See, northern side of Indian Ocean. Yes, it is in the north side. Then, and Australia. See, where is Australia? Australia is located? See, Australia is located in the eastern side of Indian Ocean. See, it is located in the eastern side, yes, of Indian Ocean. And that's it. So, Africa is located western side of Indian Ocean, and Asia is located northern side of Indian Ocean, and Australia is located eastern side of Indian Ocean. Yes, so these are all the boundary places of Indian Ocean, right? See, next, see Malacca Strait. What is meant by strait? See, strait means it is the connector, it is connecting part of two seas. Yes, connecting part of two seas is known as what? Strait. Yes, that is the meaning of word strait. And Malacca Strait is the one of the strait. See, it is in Indian and Pacific. It connects Indian and Pacific Ocean. Yes, so it is the connector which connects between Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Yes, see here, Indian Ocean is located here. See, Pacific Ocean we have learned in the previous video. Yes, see, it will connect both, that is both ocean, Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Pacific is the first largest ocean in the world, and Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world. It will connect two oceans. Yes, so it is known as connector strait. Yes, it connects the two seas. Then it named as what? Malacca Strait. Malacca Strait. Yes, it connects Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Let's see the another one type. See, Park Strait. Yes, one more strait is there. Park Strait. Yes, Park Strait. See what it connects? It connects the Bay of Bengal and Park Bay. Yes, it connects the two sea, that is Bay of Bengal and Park Bay. Yes, so that is named as Park Strait. Yes, this process is named as what? Park Strait. The connection between Bay of Bengal and Park Bay. Right? Then see, let's see about the islands. What are the islands presenting in Indian Ocean? Yes, see islands. What are the islands we are having? Andaman and Nicobar Island, and Lakshadweep and Maldives. Yes, have you heard that? Maldives, it is a thieves. Yes, Sri Lanka, yes, Mauritius and Reunion. Yes, so these are all the islands which is locating, which is presenting in Indian Ocean. See, let's see about that. See, Andaman, see Bay of Bengal, you know that. See here, India is there, no? Can you able to see this? See, India is there. See here, it is Sri Lanka is locating. Yes, see. So this side, Bay of Bengal, that is near to Sri Lanka, the Bay of Bengal is there, and Arabian Sea is the left side of that. Yes, so this is the right side, Bay of Bengal, and left side, Arabian Sea. Yes. Next, let's see the seas. Seas of Indian Ocean. Yes, what are the seas we are having in Indian Ocean? See, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, Persian Gulf, and Red Sea. So four seas, yes, are presenting in Indian Ocean. See, let's see where it is located. See, Arabian Sea. See here in Indian Ocean. See, in western side. Yes, western side, the Arabian Sea is presenting. See here. Then Bay of Bengal. Yes, this is the eastern side. Yes, this is the western side, and this is the eastern side. Yes, and Red Sea. So in between the western and northern side. Yes, so these are all known as marginal seas of Indian Ocean. Yes, it is presented in the marginal area. Yes, so it is known as what? Marginal seas of Indian Ocean. Yes, so that's it about that. Next, Java Trench. What is mean by trench? See, already you know that in a Pacific Ocean we have learned about that. See, Pacific Ocean. Yes, there are one trench. Mariana Trench is there. Yes, Mariana Trench is the deepest point of Pacific Ocean. So likewise, similarly here, Java Trench is the deepest point of that is Indian Ocean. See, the range is 7,725 meter minus. Yes, this is the range of deepest point. That is named as what? What is the deepest point of Indian Ocean? Java Trench. Yes, it is named as what? Java Trench. And the range is 7,725 meter minus. Yes, so this is the deepest point of Indian Ocean. So deepest point means there is depression of earth. Yes, so that is known as deepest point. Yes, very deeply. Yes, so interior of earth surface. So depression of earth surface. Yes, so that is known as deepest point. Yes, it named as Java Trench in Indian Ocean. Yes. that's it. That's all about the Indian Ocean. Yes. So we have learnt about three kinds of oceans. See, remaining two kinds, let's see in the future coming videos. See, hope you'll understand. Thank you for being a part of the session. Thank you.